Hey everyone, welcome to this video. In this video, I will show you how to fix Wi-Fi calling drain the battery in Samsung Galaxy S26. First of all, on off flight mode. Now open settings, click on connections. Here you will see flight mode. And if you want to turn on flight mode, then turn on this button. And if you want to turn off flight mode, then turn off this button. By this button, you can turn on or turn off flight mode from your phone. Now go back. After that, software update. Open settings, scroll down, click on software update, click on download and install. Here you will see update option, and if you want to update software, then click on update. After click on update, your phone software will be update from your phone. Now go back. After that, go closer to router. This is how you can fix Wi-Fi calling drain the battery in Samsung Galaxy S26. I hope you like this video and thanks for watching this video.